Have you ever stopped to think where the oil for your car comes from? Here at Clearwater Incorporated, chemicals are manufactured that aid in the process of extracting the crude from the ground.
In order to get the crude out of the ground, especially in older wells, stimulation chemicals are needed. We here at Clearwater manufacture a phosphate ester-based chemical that is used in the gelling process. Our products on location are combined with either crude oil, kerosene, or diesel, and they're blended in a truck called a blender. And sand proppant is introduced. And this viscous material is pumped through a pumper down into the wellhead, and from there it goes actually into the formation of the rock. And because of the viscosity and the amount of sand and the pressure, a fracture is created. After that fracture is created, the gel is designed to break, the sand particles fall to the bottom, and at that point the petroleum engineer on site is in control of what happens to that crude oil. New wells don't need as much help to get the crude oil out of the ground. It's the old wells that have been tapped time and time again that need a little bit more help, and that's what our chemicals are designed to do, to get the crude oil out of the ground. Here in the lab we use clear diesel to test our fluids. Our products are designed to do specific things. Some are designed to be more viscous than others, but right now what I'm going to show you is a very viscous gel. We use the Waring blender here to simulate what happens in the blender truck. First we add our gellant, and then we add our activator. And it changes into a very viscous solution. As you can see, our diesel has definitely changed in viscosity. And it'll actually lip in the cup. Every time we run a phosphate ester reaction, we record its number, when it's been tested with, and its results. As you can imagine, documentation is very important in our industry. Right now, we're going to test the viscosity on an instrument known as a fan 50, and this will allow us to test this fluid, test its viscosity with temperature, shear rate, and pressure. After it's been blended in the blender for about 2 minutes, I take 42 milliliters and I suck it up in a syringe, and I put it on the instrument. I oil the instrument, I pressurize it, I pull the water bath up, go to the computer, tell the computer what I've put on, select the program, and run. The computer will show me the viscosity at a given shear rate and temperature under pressure, and then that information will be transferred to an engineer in the field. And that information will help the engineer get the petroleum out of the ground. I really enjoy my job. There's so much to learn. I work on a lot of different projects. Working on oil gelling projects has taken me halfway around the world. Thanks to oil gelling, I've been to Russia. They kind of tease me here and they call me the queen of bucket chemistry.
Rhonda Graham is part of the process on manufacturing chemicals that help petroleum engineers all over the world. Chemicals that extract the crude from the ground, so you can go to your neighborhood gas station and buy oil, gasoline for your car, and other lubricating products.